calling all network marketers, online influencers, YouTubers, vloggers and bloggers. You have probably already heard of Onpassive, but what can this online business solution company do for you? And more importantly, how can you leverage it to monetize your existing work? You already know that to keep the money coming in, you have to keep recruiting or doing new videos, vlogs or blogs. But just by hosting one of these on the Onpassive platform, you will get a continual residual income. Why work hard when you can work smart? So how will it work for you? Simply host one of your videos, vlogs or blogs on our platform, then send out that link to your fan club or subscriber list. They will then be able to view your content in exactly the same way as they do now, but here's the thing. Every single one of them will not only be part of your Onpassive team, they will also get a 7-day free trial to use all the products within the Onpassive ecosystem. And if they purchase any of those, you receive a commission month in, month out. So work smart, not hard, and leverage what Onpassive has to offer you. To find out more, just click the link below this video and we'll see you at the top.